Would you trust an organization that scored themselves a C- on the compliance and effectiveness of controls? My name is Owen. We are 3B. Our customers range from startups to enterprise tech to manufacturing, and we help them comply efficiently with legal and regulatory requirements and the standards and frameworks needed to satisfy customer expectations. Georgina is head of risk and compliance for a company that have both software and hardware products in the market. They have ISO 9001 and did work recently on GDPR, but now also have a requirement for ISO 27001 certification from a customer. Georgina and her colleagues initially struggled to figure out what actually needs to be done, in what sequence, and how to actually implement the requirements in the organization. They finally figure all this out and then struggle to ensure that the various tasks for the project are done on schedule. It's audit time, and Georgina needs to show auditors evidence of compliance from across the organization. They struggle to pull the information together as it is very decentralized, but somehow they pass. And Georgina's team has to maintain these systems and do it all again and again. Okay, Georgina, breathe. Imagine clicking a button and all those requirements load into actionable items using easy to understand language. These actions pull from the information that you have already populated into the software, reducing the workload of completing the tasks. You work with your colleagues, external partners, and suppliers efficiently through one central dashboard and complete the work effortlessly. You breeze through those audits. Your colleagues easily satisfy customer requests for reports, certs, and answers to questionnaires. And you can do this for any set of requirements, and it happens as if by magic. That's the power of 3B. Our business model is a per-user subscription. We have a consultant edition allowing them to manage clients through 3B for free, where their clients have a paid account with us. We estimate consultants being able to manage 3 to 5 times the number of clients by using 3B without additional resources. We estimate that around 20% of organizations use management systems at this scale, encompassing quality, information security, privacy, all the management systems, and 3B can help demonstrate excellence within these. We estimate the global TAM at 1.54 billion, but third-party research has much higher estimates, with Gartner putting integrated risk management at 8 billion alone. Our research shows up to 75% of organizations use documents, emails, spreadsheets, and shared folders for their management systems and risk management. This correlates with low estimates of compliance and effectiveness from our opening slide. Companies who use software products are caught in a mire of licensing, often requiring multiple products to manage and maintain all the requirements, and sometimes still requiring excessive consultancy support. None offer the combined approach of managed action-driven programs with guidance and all the tools required native to the platform like 3B. We are self-funded and bootstrapped to date, and our prototype was built using a feasibility study grant. We have over 85 customer discoveries completed, and our MVP is due for completion the end of Q1, with paid beta testing to be completed early Q3 2023. We are the right team due to our experience, both with clients and with previous startups. We've learned many lessons. I'm Owen Kenny, and I have worked for over 15 years consulting to SMEs in quality, security, and data protection. Derek Mizak is an information and cybersecurity expert and an experienced certification body auditor. And Dominic O'Toole has over 20 years experience in design, build, and support of large-scale software systems and managing multinational teams. Help us make work easier for Georgina and our organization.